Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video we will discussing about the how to YOLOv5 motorcycle tracking and detection. You can see the result of the motorcycle will be detection. Detect the motorcycles, and I think we will add in here the counting of loop, so he will be detect and count easily. So let's going on how to detect and how to work usage. So here the close the terminal. You can see the I am opening my here you can see here desktop folder YOLOv5 motorcycle tracking. So I am deleting the pretend wet, and you can see the one video. Okay, one video. So here I am also deleting two files, one Python file, then is the method of the tracking. So here you can see the important libraries. Define the point, class point, here the object tree, here the load model and video, one loop will be count, and also you can see the one loop of the minimum, maximum, x-axis, y-axis, and if motorcycle will be available in frame, you will be rectangle, and we will be add here the count 1 2 3 4. It will be display on the motorcycle in the frame. So here the library, tracking library, one class, here the second class, sorry, function. So in function you can see the center, get center point of the objects, find the object was direct already, also new objects is direct, id assign, and clear the here you can see the one clear the center point IDs not used anymore. Okay, so updating dictionary IDs was the removed. Okay, so we are going to the, so we are open the terminal here, open the terminal, cd desktop. Okay, going to the YOLOv5 motorcycle tracking, Python YOLOv5. Just run this file. It is very simple and easy to run the method to track the motorcycles with YOLOv5. It will be auto downloaded if you do not have any wait. It is very easily auto downloaded YOLOv5 sp.pt. Okay, it's taking 1 minute, 2 minutes, depend on the internet. So you can see the result, and also processing. Okay, so it's not in heavy load process. It's okay, it's fine. So all logic will be depend on the ROI. So and we are already discussing in this video CentOS and video object. Okay, load model, camera. You put here the means 0 means webcam, 1 means outsource of the webcam, laptop camera, and outsource cam. So any type of query, any type of confusion, you comment down. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.